Some nights, you feel trapped, like the world is moving forward and you are stuck. You promise yourself you will stop tomorrow, yet tomorrow never comes. If you are fighting addiction, this video found you because you need to hear this. You are not broken, and your struggle does not define you. There is hope, even when everything feels heavy, even when every step feels impossible. Life can feel unfair. You watch others live freely while you feel chained. That guilt, that pain, it can crush you. But healing does not start with perfection. It starts with trying. Every small effort, every tiny step forward, matters more than you think. Addiction isolates. It whispers lies, that you are weak, that you are hopeless, that you cannot change. Those lies are not true. Allah sees your heart. Every tear you shed, every silent fight you face, every moment you resist, is seen. You are not what you struggle with. You are what you keep trying to become. Think about the times you tried, and did not give up completely. Those small moments, unnoticed by the world, are proof of your strength. Healing is slow. It is waking up and choosing light instead of darkness, choosing hope instead of despair, choosing growth over giving up. You will stumble, you will fall, but every attempt is a victory. Do not fear asking for help. Support is not weakness. It is a bridge to freedom. Surround yourself with people, words, and habits that lift you up. Replace what drags you down with what lifts your spirit. One step, one habit, one prayer at a time. Your past mistakes do not control your future. Your pain is not forever. Your struggle today is shaping your strength for tomorrow. Trust yourself. Trust the process. Trust the mercy and guidance that surrounds you. Change is possible. Healing is possible. Your heart is capable of love, joy, and freedom again. If this message reaches you, hold it close. You are stronger than your addiction. You are worthy of freedom. Take one small step today. Say a prayer. Reach out. Move forward, even just a little. Your life is waiting. Every effort matters. If this video touched your heart, like it, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more moments of inspiration. You are never alone. Keep moving forward.